Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable glide tapping setting and how to use glide tapping on Realme phone keyboard. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone keyboard setting. After on first guys on your phone setting, and guys click on search option, and guys click here, and friends your keyboard setting on. After friends keyboard setting, friends you can use your keyboard language. Friends you want to add any language, friends tap here, and friends you can add language, and you can use your different type of keyboard language from here guys. Friends you want to change theme, and friends you want to set new theme, so guys select the theme, and guys your theme will change on your Realme phone. Friends you want to on guys your text correction, auto type correction, friends you can on from here. Friends glide tapping, we will click here. Friends you can see enable glide tapping. Friends you want to enable, right side friends tap here, and friends you glide tapping will enable. After enable guys, come back, and friends you want to use this glide tapping, so friends you can use now. Friends you want to write here how, so when you can write like that, how do not. Friends you can see how do not disturb setting, you can find like that. Wi-Fi setting, friends you want to find, you can friends glide Wi-Fi, and you can use Wi-Fi setting. Sound setting, friends you can see, we can search here sound setting. Battery setting, friends you can see battery setting, we can search here like that. So like that guys, we can use guys this glide tapping on Realme phone device guys. So friends, I hope friends you understood how to enable glide tapping and how to use it. And friends you don't want to use already, friends you have this setting, click here, and friends you can disable enable glide tapping, so guys we can disable. After disable guys, we cannot use this glide tapping on Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.